Today, let's meal prep bacon, egg, and cheese muffins. First, set your oven on 400 for your bacon and 350 for your eggs. Next, prep your bacon by putting it on a baking sheet and then put into the oven at 400 degrees and set your timer for 20 minutes. Next, let's start getting your eggs together. 18 eggs, crack them into a bowl, and then line you a baking sheet with some kind of oil. We use beef tallow for ours, but you can use olive oil or anything else, and then scramble your eggs up. Get them good and mixed, and then ladle them into your baking pans. 18 eggs usually take up 2 pans. You don't ladle it in too deep, just enough to cover the bottom because it will rise some when it bakes. Throw them in the oven. First sheet going in, then the next, and you're going to bake them at 350 for 20 minutes. Now, I know not everyone has dual ovens like we do, but we're fortunate enough to have 2 ovens. The bacon's ready first. We take it out and let it cool because you will be handling it later. Don't forget to save that bacon grease though. Comes in handy. Then the eggs are done. You'll see they're a little fluffy, but they will lay back down and deflate. Set them on the stove so they can begin to cool. And while they're cooling, you can go ahead and add your cheese. Cheese of your choice, we're using Colby Jack. Once the cheese is melted, cut your eggs into 12 equal squares in each pan to give you a total of 24. And once you're done with that, begin to prep your muffins. Cut them in half and set them out. Once you got them out, we add our homemade mayonnaise. If you want to learn how to make the same homemade mayonnaise, we've got a video on that too. You should check it out. But spread out your mayonnaise and then put your pre-cut egg squares and cheese on there. Then add a couple of small pieces of bacon. Cap it like so, like that. And then we go and wrap it up in a paper towel. We'll use Bounty Select a Square and set that to the side and repeat the process 24 times. And now you've got a ready-made breakfast that you can then bag up in the freezer bags like this. We do gallon size, so you can get 4 at a time in each bag, and you can reuse the bags and throw them in the freezer, and you've got a ready-made breakfast that you can microwave in the morning before work or before school. And if you don't want to mess around with English muffins, we also recommend doing these bagel thins. They work great too. Again, thanks for watching.